Hello, everybody. Yo, what's up? How's it going? All right. Today we're going to talk a little bit about dreams. What's your dream? What is your fantasy? What do you want? What would be the perfect life for you? What is your dream? Today we're going to talk about that in Unit 12. Everybody turn to page 90. 90쪽에 보면 Unit 12 시작되고요. Dreams and reality. Okay? There are things that are dreams for us. They're not really true. And then there are things that are reality. And they are true. And we live it. And when we talk about dreams, it's different from when we talk about reality. 우리가 꿈에 대해서 얘기를 하고 reality에 대해서 얘기를 할 때 차이가 있어요. When we speak in English, there are actually grammatical, 문법적인 차이가 있어요. Grammatical differences. So when we talk about dreams, we're going to talk about the second conditional. Okay? Just to warm up, everybody look at the starter. 우리 warm up 하기 위해서 starter 한번 보죠. 예를 들어서 number 1 it says page 90죠. Which famous person would you like to meet? 누구를 만나고 싶어요? Which famous person would you like to meet? What would you talk about? Okay? 이건 그 유명한 사람을 진짜 만날 거라는 말이 아니에요. We're not saying that we will meet that famous person. 그래서 이런 얘기를 정말 할 거라는 뜻이 아니에요. We're not going to actually say these things to that person. This is just a dream. Okay? So, which famous person would you like to meet? What would you talk about? Let's look at number 2. Which country would you like to visit? Okay? This is also kind of like a dream. Okay? Which country would you like to visit? What would you do there? 그리고 거기를 visit 하면, 그러면, what would you do there? 무엇을 하겠습니까? What would you do there? 이거랑 다르죠? Which country do you want to visit? 어딜 가고 싶니라고 하고 which country would you like to visit 하고 좀 차이가 있어요. 오케이? 어딜 가고 싶니? 그리고 또 어딜 갔으면 좋겠니? 무슨 이렇게 좀 더 wish가 있죠. 좀 더 꿈 같은 현실하고 좀 더 멀어진. 오케이? That is the feeling that we get. What would you do there? 이런 식으로 물어보면은요. Number 3. If you had a lot of money, what would you buy? If you had a lot of money, what would you buy? How much would you give to friends? Okay? 돈이 많았으면 특별히 더 살 게 없는 것 같아요. Maybe an iPod. iPod 하나 살까? 그 80기가짜리? Maybe that's it. 더 이상 뭐 더 살 게 있나? iPod 그거 비싸서 못 사더라고요. But anyway, and then how much would you give to friends? 친구들한테는 직접 주는 것보다 그걸 많이 할 것 같아. 맛있는 거 사주는 거. Okay, probably do a lot of that. So I would buy delicious things for my friends to eat. Okay? 여기서 공통점이 있으면 그게 뭐죠? would라는 단어가 들어가는 거. Okay? would라는 거 그리고 또 if가 들어가죠. if 뭐뭐뭐 then would 뭐뭐뭐. 이런 게 들어가죠. Okay? Sweet dreams, second conditional. Let's look at exercise 1. Read about Nicole. Which text describes her life? Which describes her dreams. Okay? 지금 Nicole 7살인데 너무 이뻐요. Okay? Nicole is there and there are 2 things that she says. 그런데 하나는 정말 현실 reality고 하나는 꿈이에요. 어떤 게 어떤 건지 let's figure it out. Nicole 바로 위에 있는 그 글 한번 읽어볼까요? I live in an apartment with my mom and my little brother. My mom works in a hospital, so my grandma takes care of us and helps my mom. We have a parakeet. Parakeet 뭐죠? 앵무새예요. We have a parakeet. I go to Jefferson Elementary School and I usually wear jeans. I can only have ice cream on Saturdays. 그리고 아이스크림은 토요일 날에만 먹을 수 있대요. 현실이죠. 아이스크림을 맨날 못 먹으면 이건 현실이에요. Okay? So, this is reality. What about the next one? Next one은 우리 exercise 2를 하면서 읽어야 되겠어요. 왜냐면 there are blanks. there, right? So we have to fill in the blanks, okay? Complete the text on the right with these words. Horse, ice cream palace, dress, teacher, servants가 있는데 뭐가 들어가야 되는지 한번 해보죠. Okay, here we go. 아, 여기서 니콜 사진에서 이렇게 블룩블룩블룩 there are the bubbles and then the big 이게 꿈이에요, right? This is what she's thinking. This is what she is dreaming about. 이렇게 나오죠. If I were a princess, I'd live in 보통 공주들은 어디서 살죠? 어디 아파트 몇 동? No. Okay. 진짜 자기가 공주인 줄 아는 사람들이 많아요. But if I were a princess, I'd live in 공주들은 palace. Very good. I'd live in a palace. I'd have blank to take care of me. Okay. 나를 돌봐주는, 나를 이렇게 도와주는 뭐가 있을 거예요? 하인이죠. Servants. I'd have servants to take care of me. My mom would be queen and she wouldn't work. I wouldn't go to school. I'd have a private 개인 teacher. Very good. I'd have a private teacher. I'd ride a white horse. I'd ride a white horse and I'd wear a long dress죠. I'd wear a long dress. I could have all the ice cream I wanted. 그리고 아이스크림은 먹고 싶은 만큼 다 먹어도 된다. 다 먹을 수 있다라는 그런 뜻이에요. 오케이. 그러면 우리 한번 들어볼까요? Let's listen and see if we're right. Listen and check.
If I were a princess, I'd live in a palace. I'd have servants to take care of me. My mom would be queen, and she wouldn't work. I wouldn't go to school. I'd have a private teacher. I'd ride a white horse, and I'd wear a long dress. I could have all the ice cream I wanted.
Okay, so we have the reality. 아까 처음에 우리 같이 읽었던 건 reality죠. And then we have the dream, what we just listened to right now. That was the dream. We have two things going on together. How are they different? 한번 비교를 해볼까요? 우리 grammar spot를 통해서 비교를 해보죠. Page 91, grammar spot. Look at number 1. What tense describes Nicole's real life? 니콜의 현실 지금 real life는 어떤 tense죠? It's the present simple tense. 그렇죠? I live in an apartment. 그 다음에 my mom works. 그렇죠? Present simple. 지금 present simple tense예요. Okay? Number 2. If I lived in a palace. Does she live in a palace? 지금 실제로 palace에서 살고 있나요? 안 그렇죠. 그런데 what tense is lived? If I lived in a palace라고 이렇게 했을 때는 lived가 뭐죠? past simple이죠. past tense예요. Okay? I'd have servants라는 말을 했는데요. I'd는 I would를 줄여서 I'd have servants라고 그러죠. Is this a dream or reality? This is a dream. 과거 형태를 쓰고 would가 나오면 그러면 이것은 현실이 아니고 dream이라는 거예요. 그래서 이게 conditional이라는 뜻이에요. Okay? So, number 3, complete the rule. We make unreal conditional clauses with if, okay? 실제가 아닌, 현실이 아닌 conditional clause, dream, 꿈 같은 거 이런 것들을 conditional clause를 if 더하기 뭘 쓰죠? past simple tense를 써요. Okay? If 그 다음에 the past simple tense. 이게 우리가 조금 어려워요. 왜냐하면 conditional이고 만약에 이랬더라면 이러면 그러면 우리는 좀 미래의 느낌이 좀 드는데 과거 형태를 써요. Okay? 그걸 기억해야 돼. We have to understand and remember that we use the simple past tense when we talk about the unreal conditional. Okay? 그래서 unreal conditional clause를 만들 때는 그 부분은 if 그 다음에 past simple를 하고 if 만약에 이렇게 이랬더라면 이렇게 될 거다. 그 result 그 결과 부분은 어떻게 해야 되죠? In the result clause, we use the auxiliary verb would. result에는요, 결과에는 would를 쓴 다음에 infinitive, 그 verb의 infinitive 을 쓰는 거예요. Okay. Number 4, notice that was can change to were in the if clause. if 뭐뭐뭐 할 때는요. was를 were로 바꿔도 된다라는 뜻이에요. 그래서 if I was a princess, if I was 내가 공주였다라면 이런 말인데요. 원래 I니까 was잖아요. 그렇죠? Past simple was. If I was a princess인데 더 정확하게 얘기를 하려면 분명히 I지만 were이라고 써야 돼요. 오케이? 그래서 이거 좀 이상한데 좀 이상해요. 그런데 that's the rule. were이 오히려 더 정확해요. 그래서 if I was a princess는 문법적으로 그게 더 맞는 것 같지만 그게 조금 더 어색하고 안 맞아요. 하지만 but 요즘에는 if I was라는 말을 좀 많이 쓰게 돼요. Okay, but the more correct thing is if I were. 그런데 더 정확하게 하려면은 if I were이 더 맞아요. Okay? Alright. 그러면 이걸 우리가 한번 써먹어 봐야 되겠죠? Number 3. Look at the questions and short answers. 한번 보죠. Where would she live? 어디서 살까요? Okay? 만약에 공주였더라면 아니면 그런 컨디션이 있으면은 결과죠. Where would she live? 어디서 살까요? Okay? 그냥 in a palace라고 할 수도 있지만 그녀는 palace에서 살 것이다. She would live in a palace라고 이렇게 얘기를 하죠. Would her grandmother take care of her? No, she wouldn't. No, she wouldn't. She would have servants. She would have servants. Okay? 우리 questions 하는 거 한번 연습을 해보죠. Work with a partner, ask and answer questions about Nicole's dream. I am your partner. Okay, so here we go. What 그 다음에 her mother do. 그 중간에 뭐가 들어가야 되죠? 엄마는 그럼 무엇을 하실까? 무엇을 할까? What would her mother do? What would her mother do? Okay? 그러면 she wouldn't work. 일은 안 할 거다. 이런 식으로 답을 해야 되죠. Okay? 그래서 그 밑에 would she work가 맞죠? Would she work? 그리고 니콜이 학교로 갈까요? Would Nicole go to school? 그 다음에 what pet? 니콜은 어떤 pet를 갖고 있을까요? What pet would Nicole have? What pet would she have? 그죠? 그 다음에 무엇을 입을까요? What would she wear? Okay? question을 할 때는 what would 이렇게 물어봐야 되죠. 그 다음에 아이스크림은 많이 먹을까요? 여기서 what가 아니죠. 왜냐면 뭔지 아니까 아이스크림인 줄 아니까 what는 빼고 would죠. would만 넣어서 would subject가 필요하죠. would she eat a lot of ice cream? 이런 식으로 질문을 해야 돼요. Okay? What would 뭐뭐뭐 would 뭐뭐뭐 이런 식으로요. Okay? 그래서 when we talk about the answers, what would her mother do? Her mother would 뭐뭐뭐 이런 식으로요. Would she work? 일을 안 하니까 no, she would not work. Wouldn't work. Okay? Would Nicole go to school? No, she wouldn't go to school. 알겠죠? 이 would를 쓰는 거예요. Okay? W-O-U-L-D. 발음이 어렵죠. 그렇죠? would. would가 아니에요. 우리 한국 사람들 would라고 많이 하는데 would가 아니고 would. Okay? 여러분 water 할 때 와 있잖아요. 이 water woo로 바꾸세요. woo. Okay? we 할 수 있잖아요. we 쉽잖아요. we에다가 woo 이렇게 하면 돼요. we. 와, 우위, 우후, 와, 우위. 오케이. 그래서 would 이렇게 나오면 돼요. Okay. Let's practice some more. Let's discuss the grammar together. Page 91. 보면 practice discussing grammar. Make sentences from the chart. 이 차트를 보고 우리 sentence를 한번 만들어 보죠. Okay. Here we go. If I found 오케이? 여러분, if 다음에 subject가 나오고 그 다음에는 simple past tense가 나와요. 오케이? 조금 전에 우리가 얘기를 했죠. 이건 좀 이상하다고. 왜 미래나 뭐 이런 게 안 나오고 왜 과거가 나올까? 오케이? 그런데 과거가 나와요. 오케이? If I 그래서 보면 found, were, knew, had, didn't eat, didn't smoke 다 과거죠. Okay? If I found 뭐요? 돈을 찾았더라면 if I found some money in the street 그 다음에 I'd 아니면 I wouldn't. I'd는 I would라는 뜻이죠. 나는 무엇을 하겠다. I wouldn't는 무엇을 안 하겠다라는 그런 뜻이죠. Okay? If I found some money in the street, I wouldn't keep it. 나는 나 같으면 그 돈 안 가져. I wouldn't keep it. 이 pattern 여러분 익히셔야 돼요. You have to get used to this pattern. If I 그 다음에 과거, okay? 그리고 그 다음에 I would 아니면 I wouldn't. 그 결과에는 I would or I wouldn't. Okay? 그리고 if I were이죠. I인데 was라고 안 하고 were이라고 해요. 이 conditional, second conditional에서는 if I were이라고 해요. 그래서 내가 너 같았으면 이런 말을 if I were you 이런 식으로 얘기를 하죠. Okay? 내가 너라면 나는 이렇게 하겠다. If I were you, I would. Okay? 아주 심플한 패턴이에요. 이거는 몇 번만 하면 익숙해지죠. Okay? If I were taller. 내가 키가 더 컸더라면 if I were taller, I would play basketball. Okay? When I was younger, I thought I was going to be a basketball player. 제가 초등학교 2, 3학년 때였을 때는요. 나 진짜 프로 농구할 줄 알았어요. NBA. Oh yeah, baby. Whoosh. 농구 선수가 될 줄 알았어요. 그런데 중학교 2학년 때쯤 되니까 키가 안 크더라고요. So, instead of playing basketball, I played baseball. Okay? So, 또 하죠. If I knew the answer, 내가 답을 알았더라면, if I knew, 과거 형태를 쓰죠. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. I tell you. 내가 너한테 그럼 말해주지. 왜 말을 안 해줘? 답을 아는데. I'd tell you. Okay? 이런 식으로 얘기를 해야 되겠죠. 그 다음에 if I had a lot of money, if I had a lot of money, I would buy a big house. I would buy a big house. If I didn't eat ice cream, I'd를 I'd라고 하죠. I'd 발음도 중요해요. I'd가 왜 헷갈리냐면 I had를 줄여도 I'd잖아요. 그쵸? 근데 I would예요. 이런 if 뭐뭐 그러면은 I would가 돼요. I'd. If I didn't eat ice cream, I'd lose weight. 살이 빠지겠죠. If I didn't smoke, I'd feel better. I'd feel better. Okay? I'd feel better. 뭐 이런 식으로 얘기를 하면 되겠죠. Making sentences. 그런데 꼭 이렇게 I'd 안 해도 돼요. I wouldn't라고 해도 돼요. 이렇게 mix and match 해가지고 나한테 맞는 문장을 만드는 거죠. Okay? So, if I 그 다음에 past tense 그리고 I'd or I wouldn't 이런 식으로 나가면 돼요. Okay? 우리 연습 좀 많이 하죠. Let's look at the next one, exercise 2, put the verbs in the correct form. 잘 보세요. Number 1. If I, be verb는 I는 were이라고 그랬죠. If I were rich, I'd travel around the world. First, 나는 가겠다. 호주로. I'd go, okay, to Australia. Then, 인도로 가겠다. 그렇죠. I'd go to India. Okay. 그 다음, if he work에 어떤 형태를 써야 된다고요? 과거, simple, right? Simple past. If he worked harder, he 다음에 would가 있어야 돼요. He would have more money. Okay? He would have more money. would 다음에는 항상 infinitive, to를 뺀 infinitive를 써야 돼요. Okay? 그 다음, number 3. I'd go to work. I would go죠. I'd go to work if I felt better. Okay? If 다음에는 뭐가 나온다 그랬지? simple present가 나온다 그랬죠? If I felt better. But I feel terrible. 근데 I feel terrible. 여기서는 순서를 바꿨어요. if를 뒤로 하고 conditional을 뒤로 하고 앞에는 result를 먼저 썼어요. 그것도 괜찮아요. It's okay. You can do that. Okay? Next. If I can의 과거 could. If I could speak perfect English, I would 그 다음에 not be는 어떻게 해야 돼요? 그냥 infinitive not be로 그냥 쭉 가야 되죠. would 다음에는요. I would not be 아니면 wouldn't be in this classroom. 마지막 이거는 question이에요. question이니까 조금 어려울 수 있어요. What you 여기에 뭐가 들어가야 돼요? would do가 들어가야 되죠. 그래서 what would you do if a stranger if 다음에 뭐예요? simple past tense를 써야 되죠. If a stranger gave you $1 million. Alright. Fill in the blank practice는 했어요. Now, let's actually talk about this. Page 92. Page 92 한번 보죠. Okay. What would you do? What would you do? Discuss what you would do if you came home and found a burglar. 집에 왔는데 무슨 도둑이 있어요. What would you do? 라고 이렇게 물어보는 거죠. What would you do? Okay? 그래서 What would you do if you came home and found a burglar? If you came home and found a burglar. Came 과거, found 과거. Simple past tense를 써야 돼요. Okay? I would scream and run out of the house. I would 그 다음에 infinitive. to를 뺀 infinitive. scream 그리고 run. Okay? Okay. This is making sense. Okay? 그래서 그 다음에요. Someone gave you a present that you really didn't like. 내가 별로 좋아하지 않는 선물을 누가 줬다. 이거를 질문을 어떻게 하죠? 무엇을 하겠니? What would you do if someone gave you a present? 이런 식으로 나가면 돼요. 오케이? 그러면은 I would 뭐예요? I would say thank you. I would exchange it later. 오케이? Say, exchange 다 그냥 infinitive죠. I would 다음에는 infinitive. 나는 이렇게 하겠다. 그 다음 what would you do if you saw someone shoplifting? 이렇게 question을 만들어야 되겠죠. shoplifting은 stealing something from a store. 어디 가게에 가서 백화점에 가서 뭘 몰래 가져가는 거예요. 오케이? shoplifting. 그 다음에 you found a wallet with a lot of money in it. 이것을 질문으로 question으로 바꾸려면 what would you do if? 오케이, 이거 외워놓으세요. 아주 너무 정말 쓸만한 표현이잖아요. Right? What would you do if you saw two people fighting in the street? 오케이, 저는 한번 경찰한테 전화한 적이 있어요. 스트리트에서 차는 꽉 막혔는데 저 앞에서 차들이 이렇게 막혀가지고 사람이 둘이 나와가지고 막 싸우는 거예요. 경찰한테 전화를 했죠. 안 그래도 차 막혀서 이거 지금 많이 늦었는데 저기서 싸우고 있다고. Okay. Anyway, 이런 questions를 ask하고 이런 answers를 우리가 할 수 있어요. What would you do if? 라고 물어보면 I would 그 다음에 infinitive. I would sing, I would dance, I would play, I would sleep, I would 이런 식으로요. Okay? Alright. Then let's go to the last part, section 4. If I were you, 내가 너였다라면, 내가 너라면 이라는 이런 거죠. It's actually giving advice. Giving advice. 우리는 이 부분은 어떻게 할 거냐면요. 1 through 6가 있는데 we'll talk about each one together and then we'll see what the book says. Okay? 우리가 같이 한번 얘기를 해보고 책에서는 어떤 답을 줬는지 한번 들어보고 좀 비교를 해보고 이런 식으로 진행을 했으면 좋겠어요. Okay? So, let's go to the first one. Okay? I don't have any money. 누군가가 돈이 없대요. Okay? 그러면 이제 advice를 줘야 되죠. I don't have any money. 그랬을 때, 무슨 advice를 주죠? If I were you, 내가 돈이 없었더라면, if I were you, I would, 아르바이트를 하겠다. I would get a part-time job. If I were you, I would 뭐 친구한테 돈을 빌리겠다. I would borrow some money from a friend. If I were you, 나 같으면 그러면 돈이 없으면 나는 그거 안 사겠다. If I were you, I wouldn't buy that thing. 뭐 그걸 안 사겠다. 이런 식으로 우리가 얘기를 할 수 있겠죠. 우리 그 책에서는 어떤 식으로 답을 했을까요? You wanna check? Let's find out. Listen carefully.
I don't have any money. What am I gonna do?
If I were you, I'd try to spend less.
What do you mean?
Well, you buy a lot of clothes. Designer clothes. Stop buying such expensive clothes.
But I like them.
Okay. If I were you, I'd가 나오죠? Okay, 그 패턴이에요. If I were you, I would. I would를 줄여서 I'd. 여기서는 If I were you, I'd spend less라고 그러지. 돈을 좀 덜 쓰겠다. 나 같으면. 이런 식으로 얘기를 하죠. 그래서 what do you mean? 무슨 말인데? Well, you buy a lot of clothes. Designer clothes. 명품 옷을 많이 사면서 돈 좀 덜 쓰라고. 이런 advice를 주죠. Okay, let's go to number 2. My hair looks awful. 머리가 장난이 아니래요. My hair looks awful. 그러면 what kind of advice would you give? If I were you, okay? If I were you라고 시작을 해야 되겠죠? If I were you, I'd 그 다음에 뭐요? 머리를 자르겠다. If I were you, I'd 머리를 자르다. 영어로 get a haircut. Okay? If I were you, I'd get a haircut. Okay? 아니면 if I were you, 나 같으면 모자를 쓰겠다. If I were you, I'd wear a hat. 이렇게 얘기를 할 수도 있겠죠. If I were you, I'd go to another hairstylist. 다른 hairstylist한테 가서 머리를 자르겠다라는 이런 말을 할 수도 있겠죠. Okay? What did the book say? Let's find out. Listen carefully.
My hair looks awful. I can't do anything with it.
It's not that bad.
Oh, yes, it is. Just look at it.
Well, if I were you, I'd try that new hairstylist, Antonio. He's supposed to be very good and not that expensive.
Okay, I'll try him. Thanks.
Okay, all right. If I were you, I'd try that new hairstylist라고 그러죠. I'd try. 한번 시도해보겠다. 저 새로운 사람한테 가보겠다. I'd try라고 얘기를 했죠. Okay. My hair looks awful. I can't do anything with it. It's not that bad. 뭐 그렇게 나쁘진 않은데라고 그러잖아요. Oh yes, it is. Just look at it. 좀 봐봐 라는 뜻이죠. Just look at it. 좀 봐봐. 너무 이거 아니잖아 라는 여자들끼리 그러네요. 오케이. 여자들은 머리 스타일에 정말 그 신경을 많이 써요. 그렇죠? 저도 여동생이 셋인데요. 와, 옛날에 같이 살았을 때는 머리 때문에. 오케이. Imagine 머리카락 얼마나 많이 빠졌겠어요. Oh my goodness. 오케이. 한때는 my mom, my aunt, my grandmother, my 3 sisters, me and my dad 같이 살았어요. 여자 6명하고 아버지랑 저랑요. Oh my goodness. It was really, really difficult. Next, number 3. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. 그러면 무슨 advice를 줄까요? If I were you, I'd 치과로 가라. Go to the dentist. If I were you, I'd 초콜릿 그만 먹어. Stop eating chocolate. Okay? If I were you, I'd stop eating chocolate. 아니면 나 같으면 이를 닦겠다. If I were you, I'd brush my teeth. Okay? 여러 가지 advice를 줄 수 있어요. What does the book say? Listen carefully.
I have a toothache.
Have you seen a dentist?
No.
Well, if I were you, I'd make an appointment right away.
Okay. If I were you, I'd make an appointment. 예약을 하다, right? Make an appointment right away. 당장, 지금 바로 곧 right away. If I were you, I'd make an appointment. 이라고 이렇게 얘기를 하죠. All right. Let's go to the next one. I had a fight with my boyfriend. I had a fight with my boyfriend. 남자친구랑 싸웠대요. 이건 누구냐에 따라서 어드바이스가 달라지겠죠. 만약에 10대 아이가 남자친구랑 싸웠다 그러면 If I were you, I'd break up. 그 나이 때 그 데이트하고 뭐 이런 거 다 쓸데없고 소용없는 거야. 오케이? 뭐 이렇게 했죠. If I were you, I'd break up. Because at your age, you should think about more important things in life, okay? 더 중요한 게 있잖아요. 지금 10대는 남자친구, 여자친구 이거보다 더 중요한 우리가 생각해야 하고, 할 일들이 더 많아요. 근데 괜히 남자친구 있어가지고, 여자친구 있어가지고, 이 정신을 못 차려서 그런 경우들이 좀 많죠. 그런데, 3년 동안 사귀었고, 이제 결혼까지 하려고 했는데, 그 남자랑 싸웠대. If I were you, I'd apologize. 사과를 하겠다. If I were you, I'd apologize. 이렇게 얘기를 할 수 있겠죠, right? If I were you, I'd apologize. Okay? What does the book say? Let's find out.
I had a fight with my boyfriend.
About what?
Oh, the usual thing. He gets jealous if I just look at another guy.
And did you?
No, of course not.
Well, if I were you, I'd forget about him. He won't ever change, you know.
Oh, I couldn't do that.
남자친구가 질투를 너무 많이 해서 싸웠다고 그러죠? 오케이, 그래서 If I were you, I'd forget about him. 그 사람을 그냥 잊어버려. 왜냐면 안 바뀔 거니까 그 사람. He'll never change. 오케이, 그래서 가끔 그러죠. 어떤 사람이 정말 이 똑같은 문제가 있고 안 변하고 그것 때문에 내가 정말 못 살 것 같으면 그러면 좀 생각을 좀 해봐야 돼요. Okay, alright. Next, my car won't start in the morning. 아침에 시동이 안 걸린대요. Car won't start in the morning. 아침에 차가 시동이 안 걸린다. If I were you, I'd buy a new car. 그런데 보통 그냥 차를 그냥 한 대를 새로 살 수는 없잖아요. 어떻게 해야 되죠? If I were you, I'd get the car fixed. If I were you, I'd borrow my friend's car. 아침에 차가 시동이 안 걸리면 친구 차를, 근데 친구 차 빌리면 안 되죠. 사고 나면 어떡해요? This is a problem. What is the solution that the book gives? Listen carefully.
My car won't start in the morning.
If I were you, I'd buy a new one. Yours is so old.
I know it's old, but I can't afford a new one.
Then take it to a mechanic and get it fixed.
All right.
All right, so he suggests buying a new car too. He says, if I were you, I'd buy a new one. 그 pattern, if I were you, I would. I'd 그 다음에 infinitive, buy. Okay? If I were you, I'd buy a new one. 그런데 그냥 살 수 있나요? 그래서 that's why she says, I know it's old, but I can't afford a new one. 새로 차를 살 돈에 여유가 없다라고 이렇게 얘기를 하잖아요. I can't afford a new one이라고 그랬어요. 그래서 then take it to a mechanic. Okay? 여기서는 conditional을 안 써요. 그러면 가서 고쳐. 이런 말이죠. 내가 너였다면 내가 무엇을 하겠다라는 게 아니고 이제는 직접 얘기를 하는 거냐. 가서 고치라고 이렇게 얘기를 하니까 conditional을 안 썼어요. Okay, let's look at the last one. 마지막. My neighbors make a lot of noise. Okay, 이웃집 사람들이 너무 시끄럽대요. If I were you, okay, if I were you, I'd talk to them. 그 사람들하고 얘기를 좀 해봐. Okay, or if I were you, I'd move to another neighborhood. 다른 동네로 이사가다. If I were you, I'd move to another neighborhood. 아니면 if I were you, I'd buy them a present every day. 맨날 선물을 사다 주는 거예요. 그래서 좀 미안하지만 좀 너무 시끄럽다고 이렇게 하면서 buy them if I were you, I'd buy them a present every day. There's lots of things that we can do to solve our problems with our neighbors. Okay? 꼭 이렇게 막 소리 지르고 당신네는 이거 말고 we can try other things, right? We can try to be nice to our neighbors to try to solve problems. Okay? How does this book solve that problem? Let's see.
My neighbors make a lot of noise.
Do they? That's awful.
Yeah, we can't get to sleep at night.
Have you spoken to them about it?
No, we're too frightened.
If I were you, I'd invite them over for coffee and say that you're having problems.
That's probably a good idea. I'm not sure they'd come, but I'll try it.
Okay. Well, it's very smart, right? They say, if I were you, I'd invite them over for coffee and say that you're having problems. Okay? Invite them over. 초대해서 커피를 마시면서 이런 문제가 좀 있다. 라고 이렇게 친절하게 얘기를 하는 거예요. Right? If I were you, I'd invite them over. Okay. Let's review. If we talk about the conditional, then we say if 그 다음에 과거 past, simple past tense를 쓰죠. 그 다음에 would and then infinitive. Okay? If I had more time, I'd study English with you every day. Okay? If I had more time, 그 다음에 had 과거를 쓰죠. If I had more time, 그 다음에 I'd 나는 무엇을 하겠다. I'd study는 infinitive죠. Study English with you every day. But you have to study English every single day so that you can improve and get better. Okay? All right. Practice this a lot, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.